Good morning, boys and girls. Do you have your fitness on for Fitness Spirit Day at school? Or maybe you dressed up as your favorite fruit or vegetable. I've got some fruit here. Hello, Mrs. Ng's class. I'm calling you to see if you're ready to learn today. Awesome. You ready? Awesome. Bye. I have some apples and oranges. And ooh, look at these strawberries. Fresh picked from Parsons Farm. They smell so good. I have vegetables here too, because maybe your favorite dressed as a favorite vegetable, a tomato or some zucchini. I don't know about you guys, but when I talk about fruit, I can't help but think about that Lori Berkner song, Fruit Salad Salsa. So I'm going to have you dance around and shake, shake, shake to that song before you get your learning on today. I hope you're ready to have a great day learning with reading and math and your science. Maybe you'll pick a science or a social studies to do today. Or I wonder what special area you're going to pick. Today's Tuesday. You get to pick a new one. So have a great day learning. I miss you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.